never do that with my eyebrows again. Hey, Tal. Come watch a video. I gotta show you something.
Oh, Lord.
Come on. Boom, boom, boom.
Shut up.
Boom. Oh,
That hurt.
boom, 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 boom. Now watch this. There's gonna be like little ghostly things all around over here. This ghost over here, and then it's gonna sit down in the chair and it's gonna rock. Just click play over here, and make sure you exit out of this one right here. Yeah. It's pretty cool. I like the way they do this.